Want to add a view product tag to your Instagram posts? You can easily link product details to your photos in just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a view product tag on your Instagram post. Be sure to watch it till the end, and don't forget to like this video. Adding a view product tag allows you to link products directly to your posts, making it easier for your followers to learn more and make purchases. This feature is a fantastic way to boost product visibility and drive sales through Instagram. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. From your news feed, create a new post by tapping the plus icon. Select the photo of the product you want to showcase. Please note that this feature is not available for videos. After selecting your photo, tap the next button. You can edit your post by adding music, filters, and more. Once you're happy with your edits, tap next again. Write a caption for your post, and then scroll down to find the Add Product Details option. Keep in mind that this feature may not be available to all users or regions. If you can't find it, switch your account to a business account and ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Tap on the Add Product Details option to start adding your view product tag. A new screen will appear where you can enter the product name in the text box. Below that, enter the price you want to sell the product for on Instagram. If you need to change the currency, simply tap on Change Currency. After filling in the product details, tap the Done button. Complete any additional post settings, and then tap the Share button to publish your photo with the View Product tag. Once you post, your friends and followers will see the View Product tag and can place orders directly. You'll receive a notification about any orders made. By following these simple steps, you can easily add View Product tags to your Instagram posts, making shopping straightforward for your followers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.